Good morning, ma'am. Where is ma'am? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me, children?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Morning, ma'am. Good
Mm,
morning,
Can
ma'am.
you see
Good
my screen?
morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, I
morning.
cannot see ma'am. Good
Good
morning,
morning. Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Once again, a warm good morning to all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Morning.
Now, let me tell you one thing. Will you be please quiet?
Yes.
Please be quiet.
Good morning.
Please be quiet. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let me tell you one thing. So
Yes.
there was a bad news we heard yesterday night. There was an aeroplane crash. So some people lost their life, and some
I
people.
also see. Then I also see in the news. I
Will you
also
be
see in the
quiet?
news.
Hello, children. Will you
Yes,
be please quiet? Please allow me
okay.
to continue. So it was a bad news we got yesterday night. So and the flood. Some of our friends and some people are under the water now because of due to heavy rain and landslide. So there are a lot of bad news around us. Anyway,
Water, sir.
we can pray for the people, and we can pray this time. We can pray 1 minute, a silent prayer for the whole world. Everybody, join your hands, close your eyes, close your eyes, everybody, and pray for the world. Silent prayer. Okay? Okay, children, be back to the class. So some houses and some children are making too much noise in the class. So I have muted everyone. So listen, children, that was not a good night yesterday. So we got a bad news, and we can pray for the whole world. There are some people are facing flood around, and this, in between the aeroplane crash and the landslide in Munnar. So very, very bad things happening around. So we need to keep them, all the people, in our prayers. Now, let us be back to the class. So in our previous class, we have learned about the three forms of water. We have learned about the three forms of water. And these three forms of water, wait, there are some more children. Let me admit. And these three forms of water always changing. When we boil some water, ice and water vapor. When we boil some water, we can see that the water changes into water vapor. And when we keep some water in a tray in the refrigerator, we can see that. Who's talking? Hello? Children, when we keep some water in a tray and keep it in the refrigerator, after few hours, we can see that the water will turn into ice. So again, when we take out the ice from the refrigerator and we can keep it outside for some time in the room temperature, we can see that the ice will melt and it will turn into water. And the same water, if we heat, we boil, we can see the water vapor. So there are the three forms of water in our earth. And these three forms are always changing. And we talk about the rainwater. Now it's rainy season. We all like to play in the rain. We can enjoy the rain. Sometimes the rain becomes so hot. And today, our school, this place is okay, not much raining. But anyway, we want to know what happened. Okay, is there any shower from the sky? No, 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 no. Any magic from the sky? No, no, no. So, today's topic, we are going to learn more about the rain. How does it form? How does it happen to the earth? How it falls? Are you ready? Can we learn about the rain? Okay. Children, I hope you all are safe. Okay. Huh? Now, let us be back to the class. So, we know that the rainwater, once the rain falls to the earth, the rainwater gets collected in the open water bodies. Gets collected in the open water bodies. Do you want to see these pictures of some water bodies? For example, river, lake, pond, sea. Yeah, I will share the some pictures of water bodies. You can watch it. Can you see the rain? Give me a thumbs up. Rain. It's a nice picture, you know. And do you want to know how does it falls to the earth? We can learn. Now, look at the next picture. Okay, one man is standing with his umbrella. Okay, it's raining. And this is the water body, pond. What is this? Pond. Pond. Got it, children? When the rain falls to the earth, it gets collected in the water bodies, the open water bodies. Devananda, close your book. I did not say anyone to open the book. Everybody keep your books closed. Don't touch the books. Okay. Now you can listen the class. Don't open the book. Okay. Now see the pond. The rainwater get collected in the pond. Devananda, are you okay, baby? Come on, give me a cute smile. Okay, okay, okay. Now, watch the next picture. Yes, what is this? River. The rainwater get collected in the river. Now, watch the next. This is another river. Next, sea. Rainwater collected in the open water bodies like pond, river, sea. See the ocean. We can see the big waves. Yes. Now, what is this, children? Look at the picture and say, well. Okay, we get water from the well. Some rainwater get collected in the well. Next is another picture taking water from the well. Okay, now these pictures I will show you. This is the, okay, wait. Ma'am is going to stop sharing the screen. Okay, give me a cute smile. I hope all of you understood the rainwater, where it get collected and what happens. Now, can we learn about the rain? How does the clouds form? And how does the rain happen to the earth? Okay, now let us learn. So, I have told you, children, in the nature also, the water keeps changing its form. And it is this change that forms the clouds and the rain. Okay, now the heat of the sun, Ma'am is talking about the rain and the rain clouds. You listen the class? Everybody listen the class? A bit difficult to understand. Come on, listen what ma'am is saying. After that, I will share one video to you. Now everybody listen. When the heat of the sun, we already know that the sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. And we know that when we boil some water, the water will change into water vapor. The water will change into water vapor. Show me the action. Water vapor. Okay. Water vapor always moves upwards. Come on, everybody say. The water vapor always goes upwards. And the water always flows downwards. The water always flows downwards. The water always flows downwards. Got it, children? Have you got it? The water vapor always moves upwards. Show me the action. Water vapor always moves upwards. Okay, now everybody listen. The heat of the sun. Daytime, we all know that the sun is very hot. Due to the heat of the sunlight, changes water in the water bodies. For example, lake, rivers, ponds, sea, ocean. The heat of the sun changes. Due to the heat of the sun, the water changes in these water bodies, changes into what is this, children? Changes into water vapor. And Krishna, listen and say, the heat of the sun changes water in the water bodies into water vapor. And we know that the water vapor always goes up. The water vapor always goes up. Okay. So the heat of the sunlight changes water in the water bodies into water vapor. And what happened to this water vapor, you know? This water vapor goes up in the sky. Where does it go, children? It goes up in the sky. All of you show me. Up in the sky. Goes up in the sky. It goes up in the sky. Got it? The heat of the sun changes water in the water bodies into water vapor. Right, Kasidhar? Into water vapor. And this water vapor rises up. This water vapor goes up. Goes up in the sky. Goes up in the sky. Everybody, show me the action. Up in the sky. Goes up in the sky. And there, our water vapor got a good friend. You know who is that good friend? Cool air. Cool air. The water vapor got a good friend up in the sky. That is cool air. Who is the friend? Who is our water vapor's friend? Cool air. Come on, tell me all of you. Cool air. Say loudly. Cool air. Oh, then here ma'am is going to ask something to you. What is this? Okay. So, water vapor has got a good friend, cool air. Got it, children? And Sri Bhadra, listen to class. And listen, children. And ma'am is asking something to you. If you got the good friends, you will copy some qualities of your friends. Am I right, children? Huh? some good habits of your friends. Am I right? And if you have some bad friends, you will also copy, you will get the qualities, some bad qualities of your friends. Am I right? Eh? So always keep good friends with you. Okay. So here, once our water vapor goes up, the water vapor got a good friend, that is cool air. Water vapor got a good friend, that is cool air. And what happened to the water vapor? The water vapor cools down. Oh, if the water vapor got the contact with the cool air, got a good friend, contact with the cool air, the water vapor cools down. What happened to the water vapor? Tell me, everyone. Okay, water vapor cools down. The water vapor cools down. What happened to the water vapor, children? Cools down. The water vapor cools.
Down.
Once again, I will repeat. Everybody do this. Okay. Do it with ma'am. The heat of the sun
The heat of the sun
changes.
changes.
Water in the water bodies
Water in the water body
into,
into
tell me,
water vapor.
water vapor. And what happened to this water vapor? Goes
Go
up in the sky. Goes
in the sky.
up in the sky. Then what happened? Got a contact with the
Cool air.
contact with the cool air. And what happened? What happened to our water vapor?
The
Water vapor also
also
cools down
cools
and
down.
form tiny drops of water. That we have seen in the previous classes when we boiled some water and we covered it with a lid. Do you remember,
Yeah.
children?
Yes.
And once the water vapor touched the cool lid, the inner part of the lid, we saw some water droplets. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Did you notice that water droplets?
Yes.
Like that, here also, in the nature also, this water drop, children, this water vapor got a contact with the cool air and it cools down and form tiny drops of water and form tiny drops of water. Should I explain once again?
Yes.
Everybody do it with ma'am. Okay. Heat of the sun
Heat of the sun
changes
changes.
water in the water bodies
Water in the water body
into water vapor.
into water vapor.
Then what happened? This water vapor,
This water vapor
what happened?
go up in
Goes
the sky.
Up in the sky. And okay. Now where is our water vapor? Up in the sky. Okay, then what happened to our water vapor?
The water vapor gets cool air. Cool air.
Cool air. Okay. Once the water vapor got contact with the cool air, what happened to our water vapor?
The water vapor
Also
also
cools down. And cools down and form the tiny drops of water and form the
tiny drops of water.
And you know what happened? These tiny drops of water, they joined together. They joined together and form the rain clouds and form the rain clouds. Where we can see rain clouds? In the sky. These tiny drops of water, there are many tiny drops of water. Am I right, children?
Yes.
And these tiny drops of water, they join together. They become thick friends.
Yeah.
And they join together and they form clouds in the sky.
Rainy
And
cloud.
form clouds in the sky. And you know one thing? The rain clouds are dark in color. The rain
Yeah.
clouds are dark.
Dark in color.
Hmm? When we compare to the other clouds, you know, they appear more closer to us. Why?
Yes.
Because they are too heavy.
Yes.
Because this rain clouds full of tiny droplets of water. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
On cooling further, these tiny drops become bigger. After cooling again and again, these tiny drops in the rain clouds become bigger
Yes.
and heavy. And heavy. Then what happened? Oh, once these drops of water become too heavy, they cannot stay there. They fall as rain. Once the tiny drop become bigger and heavy, they cannot stay there in the cloud. They fall as rain. What is the sound of rain? Can anybody make the sound of the rain? Charabara, 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 charabara. Can anybody sing a rain song for me? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Come on, somebody. Who is ready to sing a rain song for everyone? Daros, can you sing the rain song for us?
No, ma'am.
Raika? Oh, not ready. Shifna, can you sing a rain song? Karthikey, Krishna, Irene, Siddharth? Okay. All are so lazy.
Ma'am,
Who is ready? Who is ready? Deva?
No.
Okay. So, once the drops, these tiny drops, what happened in the clouds, you know? Ooh, these tiny drops become on cooling, and they become bigger. They become bigger,
First time.
heavy. So they cannot stay there. They fall as rain. They fall as rain. And you know what happened? Again, this rainwater flows back to the water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, sea, ocean. Got it? Then again, our naughty sun will come. I am ready to heat up the water in the water bodies. Then sun will again heats up the water in the water bodies. Then again the water change into water vapor and it has to go up in the sky. Then go take a good contact with the cool air and cools down and become tiny drops of water. And these tiny drops of water, they join together and form the clouds. When the rain clouds become too heavy and bigger, they fall as rain. So there is a cycle of change in the form of water in the nature. Hope all of you understood the lesson. Okay, this is known as water cycle. This is known as water cycle. Everybody repeat after me. Water cycle. This is known as water cycle. Got it, children?
Yes.
The changing form of water in the nature. It is just like a cyclic change.
Yeah.
When the sun heats up the water, The water will change into water vapor. Then the water vapor, okay, change into, goes up in the sky. Get it connect with the cool air. It cools down and form tiny drops of water. Once the clouds become, who is talking? Please be quiet. When the tiny drops of water become too heavy, they fall as rain. They fall as rain. Again, the sun comes and heats up the water in the water bodies. So there is a cycle of change in the form of water in the nature is called water cycle. It's called water cycle. Now, ma'am is going to share one video. Watch it.
Okay.
Watch the video. Then you will understand the topic well. Watch it.
Now I cannot hear.
Yeah, it is coming.
What?
Water cycle. What we learn? Water cycle.
Rainwater.
That rain fills up the rivers.
What?
What causes the rain? There is the sun. What does the sun do? The sun heats the water in the water bodies like ponds, rivers, lakes, etc. So, the water here rises up water vapor. Water vapor rises in the air and got a contact with the cool air and form tiny drops of water. Okay, these tiny drops of water join together and form clouds. Then, on further cooling, these clouds become too heavy and bigger. They cannot stay there. They fall as rain. They fall as rain. Watch the video. Fall as rain. Then what happened? These water droplets these big drops become so heavy, fall as rain.
And this video is not going.
Daras, keep quiet and listen. Watch the video. This is the rain which fills in ponds, lakes, rivers again. Then again, this cycle continues. Again, the sun heats up the water in the lakes, ponds, etc. The water vapor is formed and it goes up in the sky. Clouds are formed. Then again rain. Then again lakes are filled up. So this is water cycle. Now you know what is water cycle, children? Huh? Cycle of change in the form of water in the nature is called water cycle. Now we have a special friend, dragonfly. The sun is very hot. See? The water vapor, can you see the water vapor? It
Yes.
goes up in the sky. Rises up and form the rain clouds. The rain clouds are so dark. When we compare to the other clouds, the rain clouds are so heavy and dark. They cannot float high up in the sky. They appear closer to us. See the process of change in the form of water in the nature. That's all. Okay. I hope all of you understood the water cycle. Okay. All of you understood the water cycle?
Yes.
Wait. I hope all of you understood the topic water cycle. Don't worry, some children may not get it well, a bit difficult to understand. Don't worry, I will continue the same topic in our next class. Okay, once again I'll repeat. The heat of the sun, the heat, everybody repeat after me. Children, come on. The heat of the sun changes water in the water bodies
Water in the water body
into water vapor.
into water vapor.
This water vapor
This water vapor
goes up in the sky
goes up in the
and connect with the cool air.
and contact with the air.
Our water vapor also
Our water vapor also
cools down
cools down
and form
and forms
tiny drops of water.
tiny drops of water.
These tiny drops of water
These tiny drops of water
joined together
join together
and form the clouds.
form the clouds.
Got it? Okay. Then on cooling further,
Cooling further.
these tiny drops of water
These tiny drops of water
become bigger
bigger
and heavy
and heavy
and fall as rain.
and fall as rain.
This rainwater
This rainwater
again flows back to the water bodies.
again goes back to the water body.
So, the cycle of change
The cycle of change
in the form of water
in the form of water
in the nature
in the nature
is called water cycle.
is called water cycle.
Okay, children, I hope you understood well. Today's our time is over. Bye-bye.
You tell us to take
You
the
all
word.
take care. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ma'am,
Bye-bye.
there is any notes.